I will make a video or I'm going to make a video. Make a video, going to make a video. Come with me, learn differences between will and going to. Hello English friends! Professor José Luiz here, bringing you today some simple explanation for differences between will and going to when we use them for future. This is a kind of nightmare for many students of English, but today I will transform this nightmare into sweet dreams. In fact, both can be used when we talk about the future. But there are situations in which it's better for you to use will, and other situations where the going to is more appropriate. So now I'm going to give you some examples of usages of will and going to. But teacher, why in this case you said going to? You said I'm going to give you some examples. Why in this case, teacher, you used going to? In this case I used going to. I said I'm going to give you some examples because I didn't prepare these examples now. These examples, this explanation was prepared before. So I use going to when we talk about something that was planned before, that was prepared before.
Coloca meu nome aí nesses exemplos.
Nesses exemplos aqui?
Sim.
Você quer que eu coloque o seu nome nesses exemplos?
Quero.
Ok, I will put your name, ok? Roseli, my secretary, took me by surprise. She came and she said, José, put my name in the examples you are giving to your students. So I said to Roseli, okay, I will put your name. And why, teacher, in this case you used will? Because she took me by surprise and I promised her to do something. My promise was at the moment in which the situation happened. So in this case, when we decide to do things at the moment of speaking, we use will, not going to. Okay, now, as I promised, let me create the examples using the name of Roseli. Roseli will finish cleaning the house by midday today. She will finish the cleaning. Why, in this case, I used will? Because now I am using will to make a prediction. What is that? When we try to imagine what's going to happen in the future. Using my crystal ball, I can see that she will finish the cleaning. Roseli will finish the cleaning at about 12 o'clock. But teacher, in this case, can I also use going to?
Não vai dar pra terminar o serviço até meio-dia não, hein?
Como não dá? O que aconteceu?
Bart fez uma bagunça lá no quarto.
Tá bom. Então não dá. Tudo bem. Let me change my prediction. Roseli is not going to finish the cleaning by midday. Oh my God, she has just told me that the dog made a mess in the bedroom. So she's not going to finish it until midday. Why, in this case, I changed my prediction into going to? Because Roseli brought me evidence that she wouldn't be able to finish until midday. She said, Barty, the dog, made a mess in the room. So this is enough evidence that the situation was not going to happen until midday. So my prediction was based on evidence. In this case, I use going to for predictions. So, bottom line is, you use going to when you talk about situations that you planned before, not at the time of speaking, or for predictions when there is enough evidence of the situation. Use will when you talk about decisions taken at the time of speaking, like in my example where I was taken by surprise, or you use will to make predictions when there is no evidence at all. If you liked the video, if you really learned this difference, please give a big like to this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this content with somebody who might need to learn the same. Thank you very much to be here. See you next.